So before using your robot, what was the most frustrating or time-consuming part of clearing snow at your property?
Probably the amount of time. It was, for me, it's the time to get, I work from home, so it's not like I have to get out right away, but I got to stop what I'm doing because I work from home and invest that time to go clear the snow. So, having, a machine do it for me semi-autonomously works out well that I can get that time back.
What made you decide you wanted a robot to handle the snow removal? Was there a specific event or moment that pushed you to look for a better solution?
I went looking for my snowblower that I had was dying. My lawnmower that I had was questionable. So I was familiar with a machine growing up that we could switch out attachments and use it for different purposes. And so that's what I went looking for. And I came across Yarbo. So I wasn't necessarily looking for a robot, but that was a caveat of a plus for me that, hey, it's a robot. I can program it. I can set it up, get it to work for me. That was even better. It was like, so no, now I'm hooked. I'm hooked that, yeah, I want to figure it out and get it to work for me. Hi, I'm John Burns. I'm a PPP tester. The Y series has worked out great for me. It works. I can honestly say I never started my lawnmower this year, and it's handling 2 acres, and it just goes. So it's great. So today we're going to unbox the M series, and we're gonna have a look and see what it's all about. I'm excited. I saw the M series at CES, so really encouraging. I'd like to see it work, and we're gonna give it a shot and see what it's got. And can't wait. Seeing the M1 with the plow, and we're gonna start and set it up and see what's going on. We can leave it here for it to dry out a little. The packaging is always so good. It's bomb proof. Shorter cord, huh? I like that. No tools.
Which one?
I like no tools. Where the M1 or the Y one, you have that Allen screw you have to undo to get to the cable. To disconnect that. I like that. There's no tools. That's really good. All right, let's get this thing fired up. So we finished setting it up. We're outside now, and we're gonna give it a whirl. It's packed snow. It's not the most ideal snow, but hey, it's something new, and let's see what it can do. we can adjust the angle of the height of the plow from all the way down to 0, and then comes all the way up to looks about almost 3 inches. It can swivel. From side to side.
Yarbo, the modular yard robot for every season.